Throwing a ball. Let's say someone is going to throw a tennis ball up into the air. They usually throw it from about 3 feet in height. So they throw the ball up and it eventually comes back down. This is usually a parabolic shape. This particular parabolic shape has the equation h equals 3 plus 14t minus 5t squared. H represents the height of the ball, t represents the time that has transpired. We can look at this graph and notice that at 3 seconds, the ball hit the ground. We can also notice that a parabola is symmetric in shape, meaning that the left-hand side and the right-hand side are symmetric or identical to one another. I also notice at the very top of this is the highest point the ball went. If we come straight down from that, we can notice that that should be at about 1.5 seconds. We also arrive at 1.5 by taking 3 and dividing it by 1.5. So into my formula, I'm going to substitute 1.5 for 1.5 seconds. After simplifying it, I find out the maximum height was 12.75 feet. So the ball in maximum height went up 12.75 feet, and the horizontal distance it covered was 3 feet. Now let's take a look at a different problem. Here Jerome threw a wiffle ball out of a window that is 4 units high. The position of the wiffle ball is determined by the parabola y equals negative x squared plus 4. At how many units from the building does the ball hit the ground? Well, we want to know when the ball will hit the ground. That means that our height is 0. And in this formula, the y is the height. So I substitute 0 in for y, saying that it's on the ground. And I'm going to solve this for x. First, I'm going to add the x squared over to the left-hand side. Now I have x squared equals 4. This says some number squared is 4, and that number would be 2. So at 2 seconds, the ball will hit the ground. The domain of a function is what the x values can be. In this particular graph, the x values are from 0 to 2, meaning from time of 0 seconds to time of 2 seconds. The range of this problem represents the y values, so how far up the ball was at one point. So the ball was either at the ground, which was 0 feet, or it was all the way up at 4. And actually not feet, it'd be units. So the y value has a range of 0 to 4.